for match tomorrow. Football match जे आसा to start at 3:15 gates will be opened as per the management आणि 650 सुमार स्टाफ डिप्लॉय केल्या आणि ATS, PCR व्हॅन, पिंक फोर्स, IRBN प्लाटून प्लस आमचे सब डिविजन साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट सगळे धरून ऑल आर्म्ड स्टाफ will be deployed at the gates. Checking of tickets will be done by management, frisking and checking of people antecedents will be done by us at the gate. Basically 3:15 gates will be opened as per the management. आणि काही म्हटल्या जवळजवळ 16,000 लोक येवपाची शक्यता आसा. With the magistrate arrangements have been done. ताणें तांचो डिप्लॉयमेंट चार्ट दिल्या. प्रत्येक 2 गेटीचेर एक मॅजिस्ट्रेट डिप्लॉय करतले. CCTV cameras are at place, which is we are having a control room here. And SP sir for the briefing.
Whole stadium area has been divided into sectors, zones, and the responsibility is given to the SP. There are 4 SPs deployed for this bandobast as in charge of all these sectors, and they will be managing and deploying staff as per the scheme. BDS team will conduct the checking and checking of the stadium in view of the security aspect. Then parkings have been identified outside the stadium, and staff have been earmarked for this parking of vehicles. Besides, SP Traffic has circulated another scheme for this security and smooth flow of the traffic for the people who are going to come for this match. We have briefed our staff. We have told them to be very polite and very firm in their duties, and staff have been deployed well in advance before the match, so that no any untoward incident take place. Magistrate arrangement has been also done, and SDM will be personally present to look after these arrangements.
रोड खंयचे बंद आसतले आनी कशें कितें केलें?
That has been circulated
By traffic.
by the traffic.
पार्किंग सगळें
Parking, everything.
Sir, what would be the number of police deployed at the stadium for security?
As per our records, there are total 650 staff will be deployed. Besides, there will be a armed police battalion for any law and order issues.
Prohibited articles which the spectators will ensure that they should not be carrying it, and if they are found, the same will be confiscated and action will be initiated. So please be careful and ensure to cooperate well so that this game goes on safely and the spectators enjoy it. Like alcohol, food and beverages will not be allowed except baby food or medical reasons. Any tablets and all if they have to carry, that's allowed with prescriptions. Bottles, thermos flasks, any types of containers, tin cans, not allowed. Flag poles, any other stick or rod will not be allowed. Cameras, computers, recording equipment, selfie sticks, personal computers, laptops, not allowed. Animals, weapons, fireworks, crackers, lighters, flammable items, laser pointers, strobe lights, musical instruments, amplification equipment, flares, etc. will not be allowed. Bags, helmets, motorcycle helmets will not be allowed. Musical instruments, toxic, illegal, hazardous substances, coins, pen, earphones, headphones will not be allowed. Any article to be used for commercial or charitable purpose will not be allowed. No banners, signs, symbols, any political or religious advertisements will be banned. Leaflets of any sort will not be allowed. Any other item which can hamper the security will be confiscated. Any substance containing tobacco leaf, including but not limited to cigarettes, cigars, pipe, tobaccos, hookahs, chewing, dipping tobaccos, and any illegal drugs will not be permitted. Action will be initiated. Weapons of any sort will not be allowed. And any other article. We are worried of fireworks in view of Diwali and all, so we request not to carry any sort of fireworks that could distract the players and the referees, even whistles, which we always go to check, should not be taken. And I hope all the spectators will cooperate and work with, will enjoy the match by following all the guidelines which we have given.
सर उदकाची बॉटल थोडे जण कॅरी करतले ते
Available inside, not allowed from outside. And evacuation plan also has been drawn. And in case of stampede, in case of fire accident, in case of explosives, we have got fire evacuation plans in place. There are PA systems which have been installed. And fire brigades are there. Medical arrangements are done. Ambulance is done. We had a meeting also with the district magistrate, and a discrete plan has been jotted down. And responsibilities have been fixed by the district magistrate, ma'am. We also had an interaction with all the sub-division magistrates also, and all the stakeholders were also part and parcel of the meeting, and their responsibilities have been divided among them.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Lagi muji mai, oh me alo kitre.
रास्ता पोच मरे.
जॉन बाब टायर झाल्या मरे ब्रेक आनी कशें लागतले
मुजी भाशे हड्डे जाले इथे.
हॉडी चेंज कर मरे
कितें?
टायर चेंज कर मरे
खंय चेंज केला बरे? येच योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस.
ओय योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस सगळे टायर सोल्युशन एका जाग्यार. नवे टायर्स विथ 5 years अनकंडिशनल वॉरंटी.
वाह
मॅकविल्स
वाह
टायर चेंज टायर सर्विस
वाह.
नायट्रोजन गॅस बिल अलाइनमेंट अँड बॅलन्सिंग
अरे वा.
पेपरलेस बिलिंग आणि जायते हे सगळे बेस्ट प्राइस आणि एक्सप्रेस सर्विस आहा.
आणि सारखी बटर आणि सर्विस सारखी फास्ट मरे.
पाचनो
हा.
एक्सप्रेस योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ऑपोजिट सनशाइन हॉस्पिटल आलेम हायवे मारगांव. आदमो दोतरा घेवत मरे
पळय